Your favorite Mitsubishi Delica L400 headlight assembly removal. Let's get started. I'm going to disconnect both electrical connectors on the back of the headlight. Okay, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. Alright, there's a 110mm bolt on the side of the headlight under the lens. Remove that guy. This is junkyard edition. Okay, we have one screw at the top. Remove that screw. Yeah, I just pulled the engine out from the Delica. Video is right there. Okay, pull side marker lens. Let's disconnect those two electrical connectors. If you have to replace the marker, I'm going to do that. Video is very short and I'm trying to do my best to get straight to the point. Pretty easy, as you can see. Let's disconnect that. If you like it, put a thumbs up. Alright, now we have one more 10mm bolt to remove at the top. Which one was hiding behind the side marker lens. Mitsubishi Delica L400 is a beautiful minivan, 4x4, most of them diesel. I like them. Alright, and yeah, that's it. And pull the headlight out. Simple as that. 2 pins and 2 bolts and 1 screw. Okay. Yeah. Junkyard edition Mitsubishi Delica headlight removal. Okay guys, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.